The metro has been our main transportation all day. It's like a big old long train. It goes underground, everywhere. It's my first time taking the metro since France. And we're just waiting for another one to come so we can take them. So we're gonna go eat pho, I believe. I hope so.
Stop, no more.
July 18th, 2011. July 18th, 2011. We are here in Washington, D.C. It's been, what, 7 months since we've been here? Yeah, it's been 7 months since we've been here. Of course, this is the Lincoln Memorial. Last time I filmed, but I didn't have a close-up zoom on this, so we decided to come back and finish filming. So I guess I'm gonna go in there in a minute. There's Pavua and her embarrassing red umbrella.
I get the shade and you don't.
And they're doing construction over here, so I guess we're not gonna be able to go over here. That's the Washington Monument back there. Stop it, let's talk on that. Doing all your Abraham Lincoln. Let's see that. Well, this is the Vietnam War memorial. Actually, which both there, but more people Hmong they join on. This is the Hmong the mummy. I just said I was wondering if they put any Hmong names in there, but I doubt it. They'll probably just put American soldiers. But it's down here. The monument's down here. This is whole wall there. I'll go over there and film. This is the Vietnam War memorial. So we are here in Washington, D.C. Nice day, but it's sad to see that there's so many American soldiers lost their life fighting the Vietnam War. But if it wasn't for that, our people wouldn't be here. So look at some of the names. That's all the names here. Some of these guys probably fought alongside our people too, which are the Hmongs. Big Hmong. There's a statue of some of the soldiers that they made here for the Vietnam War memorial. Go ahead, you're fine. Statues right here, and the memorial was down over here. We're here at Georgetown Cupcake here in DC. Lines out the door. I was in line. DC Cupcake. We walked like 2 freaking miles just for this, so I hope it's worth it. It's too hot. I'm not gonna stand line. I'll let Poa do it. Yeah, and this is Georgetown Cupcake. Alright, this is Georgetown Cupcake again. We are here at Georgetown Cupcake. Well, I don't know what I'm talking about. The weather's getting to me. But what got her cupcakes, so.
Red velvet.
What? How much is it?
$2.75 each.
$2.75 each? Eat it. Let me see your reaction.
I have no hands.
Hold on. You are like the slowest cupcake eater alive. You didn't buy any drinks, or you did? How's it? Looking at your face, it doesn't look too good. It's good. 1 out of 10. What is it? What do you rate it? Okay, let's go. We're at Sprinkles Cupcake. It don't matter, you can just order it. Go ahead. Yeah, eat it. This is what? Where's this at?
Georgetown.
Hold up. Hold on. Let's see what the reaction is this time. Earlier it wasn't too good. Come on, we're waiting. We'll have all day. Excuse me. You had the same reaction as last time. Okay. Alright, that's it. What do you think about it? Which one's better? I think that sums it up right there. By the way she looked. Alright, we are here at the National Zoo here in Washington, D.C. Whew, it's a hot day. There's some kids that are taking a picture of the zoo. Just want to go in there and check it out. See what's in that place. This is only my third zoo I've ever been to, so I'm looking forward to it. Hope it brings the kid out of me. We are inside the zoo. It's a nice zoo so far. There's a lot of stuff here. We're looking for this dancing bear. It's called a sloth bear. But I can't find him. When I find him, I will show you guys, but I don't know. I can't find him at all. Maybe it's just too hot. He doesn't want to come out and play. If you guys see him, tell me. I don't see him anywhere. Look at it. Who is that strolling through the zoo? How you like the zoo so far? Okay. The animals are, it's too hot. The animals are being lazy. I don't blame them. There they are. Asian elephants. Smells like nature. بصير الحيوانات خلينا عايش كنا بيئة طبيعية. I was looking for the panda, but I can't find the panda anywhere. Panda was supposed to be over here on this side, but he's not there.
I would love to go swimming pool.
Go ahead, I'm just filming.
Okay. Which way?
It don't matter. We'll go that way. Across the bridge. Okay, we are in the birdhouse, and this guy is... That's his name.
Okay.
It's more this way. Cockadoo. Here's a peacock, a bird that doesn't need any introduction. Come on, bird, move. He doesn't want to move.
Make it scared and you calm him.
在不接了是吗？
Can't do that. They're not cameras.
This is the other bird cage out here. Earlier it was bird house, but this is, I guess, a bird, whatever, bird something. It's nice. It's very nice. Somebody was attention. What is he doing? Oh, what is he doing?
It's looking at its what? It was just looking at its what? Push him off. Yeah, that white monkey was looking at the black monkey's butt.
He's in trouble now.
He's scratching his butt. It's in the opening. This is not a good idea. He wants to eat us. I know. He's gonna... Stop. Okay, if you
Tiger
just
neck.
over. Wow. He smells all the meat.
Yeah.
But he knows he can't get us. Whoa! This cat won't get us by jumping off this. This cat's hate.
Here we are. This is what? What part is it? Is this called? What?
Huh? The mall.
The mall? This is the mall. According to Pabua. But last time we were here was winter, so this is a summer view of it. That's the Capitol over there. And we just took the metro. We came right out. It's windy, so the sound might not be
I said,
working.
do we go way over there? Where do we go? Oh, we go from over there to here.
Yeah. And there's that Washington Monument again. All right, then we'll go to the American history. We're inside the museum of the U.S. history. And this is how it looks like inside so far. Very, very loud. A lot of people here today for Monday. So me and Pabua will go explore. This is inside the museum. There's some of the guns back then that they used. Musket. I just touched the trigger. It's very cool. Come on.